Hey guys, welcome on into today's video where we're going to be doing a basic explanation going over exactly what a Roku player is, what it's for, and how hopefully you can use it so that you can get rid of your traditional satellite or cable TV subscription and save yourself a little bit of money at the end of the day. So a Roku player allows you to stream video content through all these different applications through your television by hooking up through your Wi-Fi internet connection and then using that and connecting it to your television. So you can see here I have my Roku player. It's hooked in with an HDMI cable to the back of my television. All of the current generation Roku players, I'll have a link down in the video description, as well as a video explaining the differences between all of those current generation Roku devices, which ones I recommend. So moving on here, once you have your Roku player hooked into your television, as well as hooked into your Wi-Fi internet connection, it's going to allow you to have access to all of these different applications. Some of them are free, some of them have a monthly premium subscription, all of these different options. But to get started, you can go down to the streaming channels section. You click on that, and then they're filtered into all of these different subcategories. I recommend going to the ones that are the most popular. These are the ones that most people download and get onto their device. Also, looking at the top free ones is a great option for those of you that are looking to save even more money by getting rid of that traditional satellite or cable TV subscription and then not going to a paid monthly service. There's some great free options. I really love YouTube. Pluto TV, that's a pretty good option. CBS News 24/7, but definitely YouTube's gonna be your best free option. There's just such a variety of content that you can access on YouTube. But if you're looking to get a more traditional satellite or cable TV experience with live channels, then those are gonna be applications like Sling TV, DirecTV Now, PlayStation Vue. Also, Hulu more recently came out with a live TV subscription package, YouTube TV as well. So if you're just looking to get that traditional experience, there's definitely a lot of options. We keep adding more options, it seems, all the time. But other options that you have for premium content, you can get things like a Netflix subscription, as well as just like a regular Hulu subscription without the live TV add-on. Amazon Prime Video, another great option there as well. And those are the kind of channels that are going to have whole seasons of particular shows, as well as a lot of different movies and documentary type content as well. So all of these, for the most part, are going to have free trial periods. So you can go ahead, sign up, try it out for usually a week or so for free. If you don't like it, you can unsubscribe and not pay anything. So great options there. No contract with these things as well. So that pretty much is going to wrap up the end of this video, guys. Again, just going over exactly what a Roku player is. It allows you to get streaming video content over an internet connection onto your television, and a great way for you to hopefully at some point replace your traditional or satellite cable TV provider. It's also great when you pair it with a traditional television antenna to get your local and national channels that way. But a lot of people are doing that. They're making the switch. They don't like dealing with the traditional satellite or cable TV providers, and it's just a great option. I highly recommend you try it out. These Roku players generally are in the range of about maybe $20 to $30 on the low end to more in the $70 to $100 on the high end, depending on the device. Again, down in the video description, I'll link some videos where I give my recommendations about which players I think are worth purchasing, as well as explaining the differences, so you can check those out as well. Thanks guys for stopping on in, and we hope to see you in future videos. Subscribe for more Roku streaming player content.